Agent 360 AI was just released, and after testing it out, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're thinking of using this tool or just curious about what's inside, stick with me, because what I found might surprise you. And yes, you can try Agent 360 AI completely free from the first link in the description. Now, what makes this software different? Agent 360 AI isn't just another all-in-one tool that promises the world. It's a streamlined marketing and sales assistant built specifically for agencies, freelancers, and local business consultants. And unlike many platforms that feel bloated, this one actually feels intuitive right out of the box. First off, the CRM. It's clean, it's drag and drop, and it comes preloaded with smart automation templates. You're not spending hours learning a system. You're getting leads organized and followed up with, fast. And if you've ever wrestled with clunky email tools, you'll appreciate that Agent 360's built-in email plus SMS automation actually works and doesn't require duct taping 5 tools together. What really sets it apart is the AI assistant. This isn't ChatGPT bolted on. The AI inside Agent 360 actually learns from your client interactions, tailors responses, and can even auto-respond to leads with context-aware replies. That's a serious time saver, especially if you're juggling multiple clients. It also handles website funnels, reputation management, appointment booking, and missed call follow-ups, all in one dashboard. I was skeptical, but honestly, Agent 360 AI pulls it off better than most tools, claiming to be complete solutions. Another big one, white label options. If you're running an agency, you can rebrand the entire platform as your own. That alone makes Agent 360 AI worth considering if you're looking to scale. Now here's the kicker. There's zero commitment to try it. No credit card needed. The free trial gives you full access to most features, which is rare. And yes, it integrates with Zapier, Stripe, Facebook, and Google, so you're not locked into anything. But is it perfect? Not quite. Some deeper analytics are missing compared to high-end CRMs, and while the UI is fast, it's not the most modern looking, but for the price. And especially if you're in the early stages of client work, it punches way above its weight. Stick around because I'm testing dozens of new AI tools weekly, and Agent 360 AI is one of the few I've actually kept using. You'll find a list of my top recommended AI software tools, all tested and free to try, down in the description. So if you're curious whether Agent 360 AI is the right fit, give it a shot from the link below and see how it compares to what you're using now.